Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I achieve this look right here. So I'm gonna be sharing some beginners makeup tutorial like I achieved this look using only 5 products. Okay, 5 affordable products. You can have this 5 affordable products in the comfort of your home, and you can use it to achieve this gorgeous look, guys. Like if you're a beginner, you don't need to like have a lot of product before you can be able to look this beautiful right here. No, but the thing is, you can achieve this gorgeous look using only 5 products. In this tutorial I just feel like share beginners makeup tutorial with you guys. You don't need to go in with a lot of makeup before you can be able to look good, but if you have these products at home, then you can be able to achieve this look.
I like it, but it's not okay. Whatever, can I walk away? Oh yeah, I can still see your face, so tell me what to do.
Hey guys, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Then I'm gonna go in and start brushing my eyebrows, and this style right here is the free stress for me, okay? So I don't go about drawing it. So once I'm done brushing it off, then I go in with the brow powder and I apply it, use it to fill it in, and use my concealer to conceal under. If there is anywhere I did error, then I'll go in and use my concealer to wipe that place off. So then I'll go in with my Deborah foundation and apply my Deborah foundation. And the beauty of makeup is blending your foundation very well. So if you don't blend your foundation very well, it might equally come out cakey, something like that. But if you blend it very well, believe me, everything you want in a makeup. Then I go in with my ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this concealer right here is white. Okay, so I chose the wrong color, although it's affordable, but throwing it away is very hard for me because I bought it with my money. Okay, so I blend it to the extent that it will not be too whitey on my face. Then I go in with Makeup Revolution Pro HD Pro and use it to conceal under my under my eyes. So if you're hearing a baby voice, yeah, I'm a new mom and my baby wants to stay close to me. So yeah guys, my baby is doing this video with me right here. And then I go in again with my Makeup Revolution Reloaded and use it to apply on my eyes. And guys, the look I'm going in for today is all about nude color. Okay, I'm not going in with any brighter color on my eyes. No, I'm going in with my nude color. So I'll use this palette right here to achieve all the look that I want in today's tutorial. So once I'm done with that, then I go in with my eyelashes. So if you're trying to know where I got these eyelashes, I got it from AliExpress. Then I will apply my eyelashes immediately. Eyelashes is an option, is not a compulsory something, so applying it is optional. Then I go in with my Kajal Eyeliner and eyeline it and highlight my outer eye. Then because that place, if you don't highlight it, babe, the makeup just count at all. So once I'm done doing that, then I go in with one of the color there and use it to contour. Okay, because all the color in that palette are all nude. All right, so it's only the highlighting. So I use it to contour and make sure I blend it very well, because everything you are doing in a makeup you must blend very well. Then I dust out the excess powder on my face and go in with one of the nude color again as my blush. Then once I'm done, I apply my highlighter with the same palette. So this is why I said that you can achieve this look with 5 products, like I said. Then now I'm eyeliner yeah, this is the look that I want. I love this lip liner so much, and this is from Davis, and my lip gloss is also from Yves Rocher. Okay, so yeah, and here is this beautiful newest mommy in the town, and here I go, guys. I love doing this kind of a thing whenever I do my makeup. So if you really enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe in the subscribe button, share with your friends, share with your family, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, baby, say bye. Bye, see you all in our next video.